After leaving the CIO in 2009, Tafmani served as Principal Director in the Ministry of Presidential Affairs and Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Warfare Services and War Veterans under Mugabe. In 2017, following Mnangagwa's rise to power through a coup in 2017, with the instrumental help of Chiwenga, Tafmani was reappointed to the CIO in January 2020 as a co-deputy director general. Sarabina Mashuko, a continuation in the rise ya wuta Tafmani STZ NA commander will subscribe or like on the bell like what berim the news also and Rabirwa cheating. His equivalent was Gasha Mazitulela. The CIO Director General was Isaac Moyo. During that process, Tafmani's relations with Chiwenga strained as he felt his home body was trying to block his rise. Tafmani was considered a G40 sympathizer, hence his return to CIO was polarizing. While serving in the CIO for the second time, he slowly but surely became a cog in Mnangagwa's intelligence machinery. His importance grew during the 2023 elections when Mnangagwa aligned Chiwenga and the army from helping him retain power. Mnangagwa feared Chiwenga and the army would rig him out of power as part of the ZANU-PF internal post-struggle and succession battle, currently raging and intensifying. Tafmani became a key element to Mnangagwa's election campaign, running the shadowy Forever Associate Zimbabwe First, a CIO-controlled operation. So he is widely recognized as the leader or maestro behind FAST, a controversial instrument credited with his securing Mnangagwa's victory in the disputed 2023 elections through localized campaigning, vote rigging, manipulation, and coercion. After that, his relation with Chiwenga all but broke down. The situation was worsened by Mnangagwa's succession fight with Chiwenga. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga have been locked in a deadly power struggle which involves the Bulawayo White City grenade attack, poisoning, and pegs. As Chiwenga upped the end, with a section of war veterans led by Blessed Geza supporting him, Tafmani became Mnangagwa's go-to person throughout 2025. Chiwenga tried to topple Mnangagwa all in vain. Under immense political pressure, Mnangagwa promoted Tafmani to Major General in June last year for political survival. So Tafmani returned to ZDF from CIO as a powerful figure. In November 2025, and in a quick succession of political events. Within 6 months, Tafmani was promoted to Lieutenant General and simultaneously appointed ZNA commander to replace Matatu, who had become ZDF boss, taking over from Zivanda. That raised eyebrows as the move was seen as crudely political, not professional, as Tafmani was not the best available candidate for the position. His seniors pointed out that while Tafmani was intelligent and a brilliant strategist, he lacked some experience in commanding key army units like a brigade and did not have combat experience. This is the second phase. Yeah, the story pangwa inotitsanangura how Tafmani rose to the ZNA commander. Pinango mesection medu muzamafunguro eri moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa tichiona kuti panguva ino pane matensions aripo his rise, but panguva ino seems like everything is now settled. Just click the link you are seeing so that you can watch our next video tichipedzisa nauya wota Tafmani. Pinango mesection medu muzamafunguro enyu musana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.